An e-form is created and configured to allow a user to submit information that will be stored in DocuSign CLM. This stored information can be used to customize a workflow step. Once you have configured a CLM workflow to automate an agreement's lifecycle, you can customize steps by pulling in values from an e-form. This is an example of a submitted e-form that contains task assignment email and instruction settings. These are used to configure an approved workflow step. In this workflow snippet, the submitted e-form is loaded into the workflow to obtain values entered for the subject, body, and approver instructions fields. Field values loaded into the workflow are assigned to variables. The variables are then used in the approve step. In this step, the document processed in the workflow is routed to an approver. An email notification for the approver, indicating that action is required, is configured in the same step. This is a submitted task assignment email settings form stored in CLM. As an end user, let's create a sample sales contract. This action will launch a workflow. Fill out and save the document generation form. The workflow automatically routes the contract for approval and sends an email notification to the approver. The email notification uses the subject and body information entered in the e-form. Finally, when the approver clicks the task link and opens the task, they will see the instructions that were configured in the e-form included as a guide.